You've been charged with drunk driving in Washtenaw County for a second or a third offense, well then the stakes are going up. Second offense, you lose your driver's license for at least 1 year. There's also 5 days mandatory jail. For a third offense, this is a felony which has a 30-day jail minimum with up to 5 years in prison and loss of license. Having a felony on your record, even for a drunk driving case, will still disqualify you from many things that felons can no longer do. Both of these offenses have a serious impact on your driver's license and your freedom. What I've done is I've developed the Ann Arbor Criminal Defense Playbook. It's a comprehensive guide to all of Washtenaw County. I talk about second offenses and I talk about third offenses. I talk about the process for each one of them, the consequences, but also the proactive approach that my clients take from day one for both types of offenses. Our goals in both type of cases are avoiding jail and or prison if possible, to keep your driver's license, and to keep you in a situation where you're not going to lose your job or your freedom. Clients from day one begin this program. With a second or third offense, you no longer have the benefit of the doubt. You've already been convicted 1 or 2 times. You're now viewed as a dangerous drunk driver who did not learn their lesson the first time or the second time. We need to show what is different now than was back in the past when you had your other offenses. What are you doing differently? From day one, my clients are proactive. All clients charged with drunk driving offenses in Washtenaw County on my program undergo a substance abuse assessment and evaluation. We follow all recommendations. You're going to AA 3 or 4 times per week. I require all of my clients to do daily alcohol testing and drug screens. I require all of my clients to get into counseling, sometimes intensive outpatient treatment, sometimes inpatient treatment. What we're doing is a sprint in order to avoid the marathon. A marathon could be prison time, it could be extensive jail time, it could be loss of license. What we're doing in the present moment is going to help create options down the road for your case. Any drunk driving case from day one has 2 paths. The path of litigation. How can we defeat this case with a not guilty verdict or dismissal of charges? How can we get to that point? We do that through the information gathering stage, learning everything about your case from the perspective of the judge and the prosecutor. As a former prosecutor in New York City and here in Michigan, I look at the case from their point of view. What are the strengths and weaknesses? Then we take a step back and look from our point of view. What are our possible offenses? What is the right path to take? As we're doing that, we're doing all these proactive things outside the courtroom. You're not going to be sitting at home wondering, well, what's going on with my case? Sitting back hoping things turn out right. Every single day you're helping your case. Every single meeting you go to, you're helping your case. Every hour of community service, you're helping your case. Every counseling session, every day you're not drinking alcohol is helping your case. If you want to be proactive from day one and put yourself in a position to resolve your case in a favorable way, I can help you with that. I am very selective in the clients that I take on in my program. I'm looking for motivated clients who are ready to make a difference from day one. If you're that type of client, or you know that type of client who needs my help, I encourage you to contact me. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about your case. Tell me about your goals. We're going to put a plan in place in order to achieve those goals, and I look forward to helping you.